Hello, good morning. This is Eva again. Today I'm going to introduce our automatic bucket conveyor. It can clean itself automatically. There are two outlets on the conveyors. It means it can feed two sets of machines at the same time. The main difference between the common bucket conveyor and this conveyor is about the cleaning function. 8 or 6 sprayers inside the bucket conveyor is to when the bucket comes to here and it turns over and the water springs out and the bucket inside can wash down. This pipe is for the dirty water draining and is to collect the water and to somewhere else. You can adjust the parameter on this touch screen. It's very smart, intelligent HMI. You can choose Chinese or English language. If you need other language, we can translate for you as well. Now let's go into the English page. In this conveyor, there are 2 outlets, but we can design it based on your needs. 10 or 14 outlets we can do. We can make it for you. And this is about the parameter setting, signal selection. This is the main button in the control box. E-start and a speed adjustable. We call it dimple bucket. That is dimple type, so if you transport something sticky, the product won't stick on the bucket easily. We add a very transparent lid on the bucket so that you can check the conveyor situation here or here. Look at the discharger. We use the clamp to fasten the discharger so you can take it easily to wash it down.